Hello, my name is Andres. How I said before, I was having troubles with my computer and with my internet, so I can see the exam. Then, okay, we have the data for my exam. Okay, I gonna explain what thing. Okay, I have a standard normal deviation that is CR. It's -1.34 because I was a reliability for 91%. I was a standard deviation for 0.35. um, who was a highway, I have a PT for 2.5. That was or that is that are or is that is that we have. Okay, the first thing that I have to do is get the structural number. So I have to solve with 5,000. Okay, we have to get with uh, 18 18,000 L cells. We put solve, accept, and then we have the structural number. It is 5.92. Okay, we need to check that this number won't be less than. Okay, we can see that is the necessary. Okay, then we have to do the same but with E2. Okay, we put solver. Okay, and then we get the structural number 1. Okay, we check this number, and yes, it's the necessary. Excellent. And the last one, we have to do the same but with E3. Okay, put solver, solve, accept. And this is the structural number 1 plus the structural number 2 is 4.73, and we need to check this. Okay, yes, is that necessary? Other thing that I forget to explain is where I get M2 and M3. How we have a good drainage and a lot of rain, because I think my exam was for Houston. Okay, in this table we have so good and greater than 25% is 1. Then I choose the number 1. Okay, uh, we have to run out to it's a quarter here, and in this one it's a 1 inch. Okay, so I get 7.75 and 12 inch, and for this one, okay, we run out to 1 inch is 18 inch. And then so this is my answers. This is the minimum thickness that need have to the asphalt, and the subbase, and this. Then okay, I can see my which buttons we have because I can see the exam. But if we can see it, you just need to check if the thickness to the beginnings that we have. So the beginnings have to be bigger than this to get the correct answer. And that's it. Sorry for the inconvenience. Uh, I would like that I can do it with the exam, but I can't. Bye.